This chapter helps to know more about the characteristics of gases, the changes of gas in pressure, temperature, and volume, thereby related gas laws, and the concept of mole and its application. This figure shows the arrangement of molecules in a gas. Can you tell us any specifics based on this picture? The distance between the gas molecules is very large, so they move freely in all directions. Isn't it possible for us to play drops when we are very energetic? Okay. Here, they also have a lot of energy in this condition, so they have random movement. Then, let's summarize the above findings. The energy of gas molecules very high. Distance between the molecules very high. Freedom of movement of molecules very high. Attractive force between molecules very low. Why? They are loosely packed. The case of solids, they are closely packed, then attractive force between molecules very high. The case of gas molecules, they are loosely packed. First one, volume of a gas. What is volume? The space occupied by a substance is known as its volume. Then, what is the volume of liquid? Consider, we take 1 liter water in a 1 liter bottle. Then what is the volume of water? 1 liter. Even if a liter of water is transferred into a container of 5 liter, then what is the volume of water? 1 liter. If it is transferred into a container of 10 liter, then what is the volume of liquid? 1 liter. Here, no change in the volume of liquid. Then, what about the case of gas? Consider one example. We take 1 liter gas in a cylinder of 1 liter. Then what is the volume of gas? 1 liter. If a gas which is kept in a cylinder having volume of 1 liter is completely transferred to another 5 liter cylinder, then what will be the volume of the gas? 5 liter. If it is transferred to 10 liter container, then what is the volume of gas? 10 liter. Here, volume depends the container which it occupies. Then, what is the volume of a gas? The volume of a gas is the volume of the container which it occupies.